Hello and welcome to Digital Dive, where we decode programming for you. Today we're delving deep into JavaScript data types. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned coder, understanding these basics is key to your JavaScript journey. So let's dive in. We'll explore each type in detail, with examples and tips to solidify your understanding. Stay tuned. Primitive data types are the basic types of data. They include numbers, strings, Booleans, symbols, undefined, and null. These types hold a single value and are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed once created. Each line here represents a different primitive data type. Numbers can be integers or floating point numbers. Strings are sequences of characters, often representing text. Booleans represent logical values, true or false. Symbols are unique and immutable identifiers. An undefined represents a variable that hasn't been assigned a value yet. Non-primitive types are objects, arrays, and functions. Unlike primitives, these can store multiple values and are mutable. Here, person is an object with properties, numbers is an array holding a list, and greet is a function. Objects can store collections of data. Arrays allow us to manage ordered data collections, and functions enable us to execute blocks of code. JavaScript has two special data types, null and undefined. Both represent absence of a value, but in different contexts. Null is used when you want to explicitly denote that there's no value, while undefined is used when a variable has been declared but not yet assigned any value. In JavaScript, type conversion can happen implicitly or explicitly. Implicit conversion is automatic, while explicit conversion is manual. And that's a wrap on JavaScript data types. Understanding these is crucial for effective JavaScript programming. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. Happy coding!